Let me guess. You've tried everything to grow your hair. Oils, masks, expensive products. But your hair still looks the same. Well, that changes today. Because I'm giving you a 30-day plan that will take your hair from lifeless and weak to healthy and strong. Ready, let's glow. And the best part, you don't need expensive product or magic potion. Ready. Let's glow. Your 30-day hair glow up plan. Week 1, Scalp Activation. Every night, massage your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This increases blood flow and wakes up your hair follicles. Think of it as a workout for your hair. Now, let's add the magic touch, castor and rosemary oil. These two oils are powerful for hair growth, making your strands stronger and healthier. For an extra boost, flip your head upside down while massaging. This brings more blood to your scalp and helps speed up hair growth. And don't forget, hydration is key. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily to keep your scalp and hair nourished from the inside out. By day 7, you'll start noticing a change. Your scalp will feel refreshed, energized, and ready for new growth. Week 2. Feed your hair. Step 2. Feed your hair from the inside out. What you eat directly affects your hair. So let's add protein-rich foods like eggs, nuts, and salmon to your diet. These strengthen your strands and reduce hair fall. Want even faster results? Try collagen and biotin supplements. They help boost hair growth and make your strands thicker and shinier. Also, switch to a silk pillowcase. Unlike cotton, silk reduces friction and prevents breakage while you sleep. And don't forget to deep condition once a week. Hydrated hair grows faster and stays stronger. By day 14, your hair will feel softer, shinier, and stronger. Week 3. Speed up hair growth. First, stop overwashing your hair. Too much shampoo strips away natural oils. Wash only 2 to 3 times per week to keep your scalp balanced. Next, put down the heat tools. No more straighteners, curling irons, or excessive blow drying. Heat damage leads to breakage and slows down growth. Want a powerful hair strengthening treatment? Use rice water. It's packed with amino acids that strengthen your hair and help it grow faster. Apply once a week. Another hair growth hack, rosemary spray. Spray it on your scalp every morning and night to nourish your roots and stimulate new hair growth. And here's a pro tip. Try a scalp steam treatment. Wrap a warm towel around your head before oiling to open up hair follicles and boost absorption. By day 21, you'll start seeing real length difference. Week 4. Lock in your results. At this point, your hair is thriving, so let's maintain it. Keep massaging your scalp every night and using rosemary spray twice a day. Consistency is key. Now, let's do a tiny trim. I know, it sounds scary. But trimming just a little keeps your ends healthy and actually helps hair grow longer in the long run. Protect your hair while sleeping. Wear loose braids or a satin bonnet to prevent friction and breakage. And for your final deep treatment, try an overnight aloe vera and coconut oil mask. This repairs any damage and seals in moisture for super soft, super strong hair. By day 30, your hair will be longer, thicker, and healthier. Now, you can clearly see a huge difference in your hair. It's longer, thicker, and healthier than ever. No more struggling. No more breakage. Just beautiful, glowing hair that keeps growing. Your 30-day hair glow up is complete. But this is just the beginning. Keep following these steps, and your hair will only get longer and healthier. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe for more beauty secrets. See you in the next one. Bye.